Welcome to the Packphoria pack opening. And in my last video, I finally packed an auto. Here he is. Yeah, it's Matt O'Reilly, not Mark O'Reilly. It's Matt O'Reilly. I didn't have my glasses on, so yeah, that was a massive F up that. But an 83 out of 150. So cheers, Matt. Right, we've got a Megatin versus another Megatin. Hopefully we'll be able to get something good here. I doubt we're going to be able to beat that, but you never know. So let's start with this tin. So yeah, it's just 4 packs in each. Robbie Fowler. Don't think I've got him, I'm not sure. So there's not many cards that I need now. I've got quite a lot of packs. So I was on the search for that auto. I finally got it. I thought I was going to have to wait for the hobby box to finally get an auto because you're guaranteed in one of those. So, but I'm still going to be getting a hobby box. So I know you get relics in there as well. Oh, got another numbered card here. And what is that out of? 58 out of 499. Tim. Can't even pronounce that second name, I'll be honest. But yeah, an Everton player. A midfielder. Let's get him on a stand. Timothy. So Timothy from Everton. Next to the auto. Right. It's a good start then. Maybe we're on a bit of a hot streak. Because there was plenty of videos where I didn't really get too much, to be fair, so yeah. Right, nothing in that pack. It's the last one out of this Megatin. Can we get back-to-back autos in 2 consecutive videos? That'd be unbelievable. I think that's pretty much wishful thinking though. If anyone would like to comment below what their best auto is. Off to the last tin. Let's see if we can get another numbered one in this tin. Still looking for like gold line cards as well. It's been ages since I've had a gold line card. I'm not actually even sure if I've had one on these videos. So we're definitely overdue one of those. I have got 3, I think. I think I've got a Mo Salah, a Matoma. Can't remember who the other one is. So no one in that. Mikael Richards, I have definitely not got him. So that's something to add to the collection. 2 packs left out of this Megatin. I have got a couple of Man United packs as well that I got the other day. So I will be doing a video on those. Apparently there's a 1-of-1 signed Ferguson in one of them. So not the tins I've got, but in one of the tins that were made, obviously. I don't know what I'd do if I packed something like that. Be unbelievable. Right, so this is the last pack. Is there anything lurking at the back here? Bruno. I tell you what, I'd like a nice signed Bruno card, that'd be cool. Jimmy Floyd, we have got a nice numbered card of him. And I think that is it. So, still not a bad one really. I did get one numbered parallel. So I'll take that. Obviously can't beat that auto. I think it'll take quite a while before I can do better than that, but we shall see. If you've liked the video, give us a like, maybe subscribe. There'll be plenty more videos to come. Bye.